Good morning. It's Sunday morning. I don't know what the date is, but it's Sunday. We're working at Kevin's shop today, and we're going to work on this guy. We're going to put the timing cover back on. We set the timing gears yesterday, and we're going to put the timing cover back on. And we just discovered that the timing cover didn't have a seal in the points compartment, right here. So we're frantically. Kevin has seals that fit this. And I think they're using the same seal both places. Kevin is inside right now, checking the parts books. We have every part book on every bike online on computer. To make if these are the same part number, then we can just use this one right here. Otherwise, we have to go down to my shop and see what I have. But anyway, I think that's the solution. I think that presses right in there just perfectly, and that's the oil seal. So here we are, and we're going to close that up, and then we're going to see if we can get this thing to fire. So it's Sunday morning. The warmer is going on. The shop is warm and toasty, and that's where we are. I'll let you know how it works out. All right, so we have the timing case on, timing cover on and tight. We got oil in the bike, and we got the sparks out and on the head, and we're trying for spark, but the kicker is vexing Kevin, because it's just it's catching on the teeth inside the transmission. And give them a demo of how the difficulty of
kicking it.
I mean, it's just ridiculous. I'll come around the other side. We're just trying to get it to go is a so-and-so. See, it's caught, and we try to get it uncaught. We have to actually jack the bike up and rotate the rear wheel to get it off that gear on gear.
Yep.
So usually, I mean, and I've ridden Triumphs all my life, along with Nortons. Usually, just banging on this with your foot, just like Kevin just did, will move it enough to get the teeth to engage. And you can hear some, did you hear that noise?
Yep.
There's something wrong inside that tranny cover. And anyway, we're having a bear trying to kick it. So anyway, a follower suggested that if you wave a magnet, because what we're doing is checking for spark, and a follower suggested, hey Frank, just wave a magnet next to this. Now you want to do that?
Yeah. So you can get in close on that.
I want to get in close on the sparkler.
Ready?
And he's just showing what you're doing. Just wait.
Getting spark?
Okay, now. I love it. I'm going to show him the other side.
Yeah.
Do that again. Just touching the coil with the magnet. All you're doing is making a pulse, which is exactly what happens down there when it runs.
Ready?
Yep. Look at that. That is beautiful spark. Okay, so we have spark. Now if we can just kick this so-and-so, we can actually try to start it. So I suggest we jack it up in the air and kick it on a jack so we can rotate the rear wheel. Now another thing, note to owner, the rear wheel brake is dragging on this thing like a so-and-so. It's a real bear to roll around.
Yeah, let's video that in a minute. Let's video that brake.
Okay, yeah.
Once we get it jacked up.
Oh yeah, once we jack it up, we'll video that and show the brake. Okay, now we've got the tire about off the ground about an inch, and give it a turn, Kevin. That's very, very tight. It's dragging on the brake.
Yep.
And notice that the brake is actually, the pedal is actually under here. If we put this down to a driving position, it gets even harder. And we have this adjustment here set to the loosest it can be. Either if we go in or out, the dragging increases. So something in this rear wheel needs attention, because I don't think it's up in here. I mean, we'd have to take the chain off to find out.
No, it's dragging here. You can feel it.
Okay, then I'll take your word. And something needs to be done back here, so that's just a heads up.
Yeah, the owner is quite competent, and he built a lot of this, so...
Yep, he's a good guy. So it's just a note to owner. Something needs to be done in the rear wheel. Okay, now we've got it up where we can kick on it. And we've got spark. So we're going to put the sparklers back into holes and give it some gas and see if we can get it to start. Okay, we're doing a tickle.
Yeah.
And we got the bike up in the air. We can turn the wheel to get the kicker in position if we need to. Kevin's going to stroke on it now. Ignition's on. Our confidence level is about not quite 0, but it's so you want still locked up?
Yep.
Try getting that kicker in place. I don't know what's happening.
And on the,
I don't like it being up like that.
I me neither. I'm the one kicking it.
I know.
Yeah.
And you can't get the kicker to kick in.
Uh-uh.
Oh, for God's sake. I think there's,
There's something wrong.
yeah. You know, we can only do so much if we can't kick on it.
Yeah, that's for sure.
I'm going to try turning this wheel one more time
Sure.
while you try to get the kicker to feel better. Okay, now you're there.
Yeah. Okay.
No, but is it, go ahead and try it.
That's all I can do. Okay.
Did it stay down?
Yeah, and the owner pointed that out.
Okay, we're done. We're done. Okay, at this point in time, I'm going to personally, I don't know about you, we got to go into that transmission lid minimum to see the kicker,
Yeah.
rubber duty, everything inside, because we can't do this. Okay? Call it a day?
Yeah. I'll
All right.
contact the owner and ask him, you know.
If we can't kick it, we can't start it.
Right, yeah. There's nothing I can do. It just keeps locking up.
Okay, cool. I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to stop this.
Yep.
And is it okay to post?
Yeah.
Okay to post it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right now.
All right.